Let's do some drywall.
Hey YouTubers, we're doing a patch job. I have several videos on patching. Pretty much this is what I do every day. I'm a drywall repairman, so I do a lot of patches. These are plumbing patches. The reason I do so many patch videos, maybe you're doing a patch job that looks like this, so you can kind of follow along and see the process. Maybe you want to try to do it yourself, or you see how complicated it is and you might want to hire someone to do it for you. But basically this is a process. Once the area is nice and squared up, you always want to add wood backing. Use 1x2s, 2x4s, whatever you have. You always want to get something on each side of the patch. If the existing drywall cutouts are not savable, then you're going to have to use new sheetrock. Once you get the pieces of sheetrock cut to size, always install those and add plenty of screws. This is 1/2-inch sheetrock, so I'm using 1.25" screws. 1.25" to 1.5" screws work for 1/2-inch sheetrock. Once you get screws aligned every 2 to 4 inches, get it nice and secured. Always add screws to the outside edges of the old sheetrock to tighten it up. I use fiberglass mesh tape, get it all fiberglass mesh tape ready for mudding. Here I'm using a 5-minute hot mud. You can also use a 20-minute, 40-minute, 90-minute hot muds. If you're not comfortable with quick set muds, always use a joint compound. I'm just filling in the tape, getting it in the gap. It's kind of like a pre-fill technique. That way I know the mud's getting inside the gap. Then I do a nice healthy first coat. I'm not putting it on super heavy. This is a hot mud, so you don't want to put it on too heavy. You're not trying to put a big old hump on the wall. You're just basically filling in the area. I'm using a 12-inch knife, so you can use a 10-inch or 12-inch knife for this. If you're using hot muds, you always want to clean up your tools. So I'm using a water bucket. You can also use a hose, but since I don't have a hose available, I'm just using a water bucket and a sponge. Get your tools cleaned up. I'm grabbing my 6-inch knife and a wet sponge. The 5-minute mud's setting up, so I'm just slicking it out. You always slick it out right before it sets up, about 5-10 minutes. If you're using a 20 minutes, the same thing, 20-minute, 40-minute, 90 minutes. Whatever materials you're using with quick set, you have to slick it out before it sets up. If you're using a regular joint compound, you just let that dry overnight, then you sand it, and then second coat process. I'm mixing a second pan of 5-minute mud. I'm only doing a 1/2 pan, just about a sponge or so of water, clean water. Mix it up thoroughly. It's just going to be a little bit thinner than my first coat mud, so just like a thinner bread batter. I'm just basically doing a second coat, skimming it out, going past my first coat. Always take your second coat past your first coat. Not super heavy, it's almost a skim coat. Not a tight skim, it's just we're pushing it down, just getting the material on there. We're not trying to hump out the wall and put a big lump on the wall. So we're just slicking it out, making a nice skim second coat. We're working with hot muds, so it's not like a joint compound that you put on heavy and let it shrink back. Hot muds, you put them on thin. Clean up your tools, get your knives cleaned up as your hot mud's setting up. I am using a 5-minute. Like I said, if you're not comfortable with hot muds, always use a joint compound. Get your tools cleaned up, everything cleaned up. Same thing as first coat. I'm going to need a wet sponge and a 6-inch knife. I'm going to slick out the hot mud. Second coat setting up, about 5 minutes or so. I'm slicking it out. Like I said, if you don't like to use these hot muds, then you wouldn't use this slick out technique. This is only done with hot muds, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, and 90 minutes. Using joint compounds, and you would just sand the work area that you did the previous day after it dried. Hot muds, you just slick out as it's setting up, slick it out, take off the extra mud. You're just slicking it out. It's almost like a wet slick out sanding technique. Take off the extra mud. I'm just doing a Santa Fe smooth texture. I'm using a regular joint compound. I'm going past my second coat mud. Always take your next coat past your previous coat. Regular joint compound like this has to dry overnight. And this is just a nice Santa Fe. It's almost like a skim coat, but it's a Santa Fe. Once it's all coated, let it dry 24 hours, and then it'll be ready for sanding and primer the next day. Basic patch process that anyone could do. If it looks too complicated, always hire a professional. Thanks for watching. And like these videos. Thank you.